What is climate change? When you burn fossil fuels, the carbon in the fuel combines with the oxygen in the air and makes carbon dioxide, which is a greenhouse gas. Greenhouse gases absorb heat that is radiated from the Earth's surface up into the atmosphere. The greenhouse gases prevent the heat from going directly into outer space by sending it in a different direction so it stays in the atmosphere longer. Natural carbon dioxide is helpful in keeping the Earth warm enough to allow life. But burning fossil fuels leads to excess buildup of heat, which raises temperatures to a level that is negatively impacting the environment and people. Increased temperature causes ice caps and glaciers to melt, which raises the sea level. The sea level rise leads to loss of habitat and saltwater intrusion. Increased temperature also leads to changing weather patterns, meaning some places will get more rain and some places will get less. This leads to heavy downpours and droughts. Downpours can cause flooding, erosion, and mudslides. Droughts can cause crops and animals to die. So how does this affect humanity? According to the U.S. Global Change Research Program, in the United States, we have observed climate-related increases in our exposure to elevated temperatures, more frequent, severe, or long-lasting extreme events, degraded air quality, diseases transmitted through food, water, and disease vectors, such as ticks and mosquitoes, and stresses to our mental health and well-being. Almost all of these threats are expected to worsen with continued climate change. We keep burning fossil fuels to do everything from powering our cars, heating and lighting our homes, and shipping food and clothes across the world. How can we make a difference to help combat the effects of climate change? Unfortunately, most adults didn't learn about climate change in school, so they didn't know about the problem or how they were contributing to it. We can change this. If we can educate children on climate change today, they will be able to make lifelong changes in behavior and perspective that will help reshape the world. Once children understand these ideas, they will be influential to all those they meet throughout their lives. I want to educate children on the causes and effects of climate change, as well as guide them to creating their own ideas on combating it. In order to reduce global warming and the effects of climate change, we have to reduce greenhouse gas emissions both directly and indirectly. This program will teach children and their parents what changes they can make to better the world, as well as introduce them to the bigger changes we have to make as a society. For more information on climate change, what it's affecting, and how you can help, visit the U.S. Global Change Research Program or climate.nasa.gov. For more information on how the existence of climate change has been proven, visit the What We Know website created by the American Association for the Advancement of Science.